The next aspect of the logical soul process will wind up the technique itself, and that is resolution. Resolution is that which takes place once you've had the interview, once you've discovered what the affirmation or statement is that you're looking to get, once you've had access, once you've gone in and actually accessed that particular decision and changed that decision. And then the fourth phase is resolution. Once that decision is changed, there's a process whereby it's also integrated back into the body, into the nervous system, because that is crucial. Until that happens, it's all a mental or emotional exercise. It's sort of out there in the ether somewhere. And so the next phase is to actually bring that and anchor it into the body, which is very simple, by the way. It actually just involves a visualization of bringing energy from the top of the head, energy from the center of the earth through the bottom of the feet while you're sitting, and then having these energies meet into the heart and the solar plexus, creating a vortex of light that spreads throughout your tissue, cells, and organs of your body, creating a power throughout all the cells in your body and the tissues and the organs, and thereby anchoring you into that process, into that affirmation, into that new decision. And so the resolution is, and it may take longer than that. That's the simple version. But you may guide the child through a gate. Sometimes I use a very large, elaborate gate on a rainbow path, and the gate opens and there's a light on the other side. And I take the hand of the child and walk through this gate, and on the other side, as soon as it steps over the threshold, there's a new decision that's made. And then you step over the threshold and that new decision comes into play. You bring the child back into your heart, go back to the earth, back to your body, come back into the body, bring the light in, connect that. Once you're in the body, the resolution takes place. The connection takes place. The decision then becomes a physiological reality in your body and no longer a foreign idea that's just sort of floating out there outside the decision realm of this child or your inner child or your ku or unahipali, depending on what phrases you want to use. And so by integrating this into the body, the power returns to us. And we have the ability to put ourselves out into the world and attract to us those things which we want, because it's not based on a need or a desire or a fear that comes to us. It's based on a fulfillment, a knowingness that we're going to get what we set out to do. And that knowingness is one of the most powerful feelings in the world. And I wish this for every one of you, to look for this process within yourself, to find those decisions that have held you up, to get access, to change those decisions, and to come through a resolution to bring those decisions back into the body, the new decisions that will free you from all the old programming you've ever had in your lives. This is Dr. Michael Craig with LogicalSoul.com. I wish you complete fulfillment in everything that you do. And please stay tuned for our next lesson, and I wish you the best till then.